Sagittarius, my fire babies, positive vibes, motivation, inspiration, elevation, love, light, positive energy, goodwill, peace and healing, abundance and prosperity all your way. Bad health is big business. I'm here to put them out of business. Head swelling, PTSD, stroke, anxiety, depression, mental illness, physical ailments are at an all-time high, plaguing ourselves at an age of an all-time low. I'm here to heal that with my Fountain of Youth technique. But before that, your word of the day is gratitude. Gratitude is an attitude. If you show that you're grateful for the small things, the place that you are right now, you may be between a rock and a hard place, but you do have certain things and certain items, certain comforts, and a certain level of comfort where you can say, wow, I'm very grateful, and just use that to be grateful, just as if you're in a mansion. It's just if you had all your dreams, because you have all your needs and everything is accounted for, where you're healthy, you have all the things that you need to sustain. If you have gratitude in the hard times, Lord God, Spirit, Universe, Source, Strength, Jesus Christ, how it works with, they say, wow, they're praising in the dark. They're happy at showing gratitude for a little. Let me give them the mother load. Let me give them exactly what they want. Let me overload them with what they want, because they're in a great attitude and showing me love and thankful and being grateful for the small, minute things. I know they're going to give me the great thanks and gratitude for the huge things. You will not stop, because if you can be thankful for the small things, it's easy to be thankful for the big things. Sometimes it's hard to be grateful for the small. I'm aware of the light within me. And in my life, I direct my thoughts to the beauty that's in and around me. That's a great way to propel to the next level of positivity, of gratitude, is look at the beauty within you and around you. You're a beautiful person. You've evolved. I give thanks to God for every little thing that brings me joy. I enlighten my thoughts. Riches surround me, and I appreciate all that life brings me. Being able to breathe, walk, talk, jumping jacks, be able to write your name, be able to call a loved one, to be able to have a phone, to have the smallest things, laughing at a clumsy baby or an animal. These are small sources of joy that are superpowers that propel us into a place of gratitude and joy, where we show that love. That's where we can expedite our blessings. And God, Lord God, Spirit, Universe, Source, Strength, Jesus Christ, they say, listen, let me rain in the blessings on you, because you're so happy. I know you're going to be ecstatic when I give you what you ask for and what I have for you. Love one another. Be kind to one another. Please like, share, comment, and subscribe, and love yourself. If this page been a blessing to you, I love you.